Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah. I want to show you guys a cool little thing. This is called a router plane, and what it does basically, you set the blade to all different depths. And what this was used for back in the day was to make dados. You know, this plane right here was to make sure that you could, you know, it looks like a router. You know, basically this is a router before they had, you know, electric routers. And this is a small one. This is the version that I'm going to use right here. Isn't it cute, guys? Nice little router plane. But this is an invaluable tool when it comes to doing cleaning out rabbits and dados and everything else. So I'm going to move the camera and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if you remember the other day when Steve was cutting out these dados for the writing surface. He was saying it's standard practice to go along with a router plane and make sure that you're cleaning this out. A lot of people make the mistake of when they're trying to do a dado, you know, to keep it really flat to the table of the table saw. You know, sometimes the board might have a little like curve in it, or it could be, you know, bowed or whatever, you know, and it's really hard sometimes to keep the board really flat. You know, even sometimes the pressure of the blade will keep you up just a little bit, you know, so when you're pushing down on it, and before you want to try to set, you know, the piece that goes into the dado, you really want to go along with a router plane. So I'm just going to show you how this thing works, alright? So here's the dado, and you know, it kind of looks like it's perfect, right? I mean, you could even sight down the middle of it. I don't know if you can be able to see this. Let's see if I can zoom in there, Dave. This might be kind of cool. Yeah, see, this thing has a hard time focusing. It's hot. But anyways, all down here, right? It looks like it's all the same. You know, you could even go along with your sterret, and it might even look the same. And you see how I have the depth of the cutter head already preset because I've already done the other side. And look, check it out. See how it's hitting flat right here? And see how it's hitting flat over here? See? Watch this. You hear it? So that's telling me that this thing is not flat. And if I had this writing surface cut to fit perfectly, if I try to jam it in there, what it's going to do is it's going to push the sides of my case out. So let me see if I can get a better view of this. I don't know if I get freaking aggravated. I can't see. Hang on, Dave. Let me see if I can nail this for you, buddy. Oh yeah, check it out. You see that? Sorry, buddy. It's hard to do in one hand too. Look at that. That's a lot of material right there, guys. Alright, I'm through the other side. How sweet is that? Alrighty guys, how awesome is that? Huh? Now I know. You know, when I go to fit my writing surface? The writing surface. When I go to fit the writing surface, it's going to be nice and easy. Now you can probably notice, I don't know if you can notice it from there, but now I have a bunch of scratch marks on the side here. So before I can glue this whole thing together, I'm going to plane it a little bit clean it up with the sandpaper on the sides and on the top here. All in here doesn't matter because this is where the loafer is and this is where all the drawers are. And it's kind of too nice as it is already. So I'm just going to concentrate a little bit in here, you know, and that's it. And then the top, even though you're not going to see any of this top, but you know, it'll make things a lot easier. So that's the cool little router plane, guys. Very valuable. You know, for the short amount of money that this thing costs to buy, you should buy one. Alright, Holmes. Peace out.